Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are here to help you master your money and scale your business. And what better way to do that than by using AI and tech to work smarter, not harder? You're probably always looking for ways to streamline your day-to-day tasks and free up more time to focus on the big picture. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple ways to automate your daily tasks using AI tools that you can start using today. So let's dive straight into it. Tip number 1 is automate emails and responses. One of the biggest time wasters for many professionals is writing and replying to emails. It can be difficult to find the time to craft thoughtful responses to every email you receive, especially when you're juggling multiple priorities. But with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, you can draft responses in your tone, saving you time and ensuring that your voice comes through in your writing. Here's how it works. Simply copy an email that you need to reply to, paste it into ChatGPT and say, "Write me a polite but concise reply under 100 words. Boom, you have a ready-to-send draft. And if you want to take things a step further, you can connect your Gmail to tools like Zapier or Make.com. With this integration, you can set triggers that will automatically forward certain emails to the appropriate people or folders. For example, if you receive an email with the word invoice in the subject line, it will be automatically forwarded to your accounting team. This can save you 5 to 10 minutes every single time you get an email with an invoice attached. Tip number 2 is smart scheduling. Scheduling meetings can be a huge pain, especially if you're working with people across different time zones. Back and forth emails to find a time that works for everyone can take hours. Fortunately, AI scheduling assistants like Motion, Reclaim, or Calendly with AI optimization are here to save the day. These tools can scan your calendar, find the best slot for a meeting, and even reschedule meetings automatically when something urgent pops up. Some of these services like Calendly integrate with Slack or Teams, so you can schedule meetings without even opening your calendar. Just type "schedule a 30-minute catch-up with John next week" and it's done. Tip number 3 is file organization and note summaries. Another hidden time drain is searching for files or going through long notes and losing important details. But thanks to AI tools like Otter, you can record meetings and get instant summaries and action points. And for documents, you can use ChatGPT with file upload or tools like Claude. Just upload your PDF or doc and ask summarize this in 5 bullet points. Now what about organizing your files? Services like Hazel for Mac or File Juggler for Windows can automatically rename, sort, and move files based on rules. For example, you can have all invoices put into one folder by date, so there you have it. Those are 3 simple ways to automate your daily tasks using AI tools that you can start using today. You don't need to be a tech genius to make your life easier and save those precious minutes. Even if you only try one of these, you'll feel the difference this week. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your money and scaling your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.